The drone community is in an absolute frenzy right now, and if you are thinking about buying a new drone, you need to stop what you are doing immediately. The tech landscape has just been completely upended by massive, unannounced supply chain leaks regarding the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. DJI is preparing to launch a device that defies the very laws of physics and completely breaks the rules of global aviation regulations. We are talking about features that were previously deemed structurally impossible for a drone in this weight class. If you have been eyeing the current lineup, holding onto your cash is the single smartest move you can make today. The most shocking revelation from the latest factory data is that DJI has found a way to completely bypass the strict FAA and international drone registration laws while simultaneously cramming a professional-grade camera into the chassis. For years, the sub-250-gram category meant making massive compromises in image quality and stability. This upcoming release completely erases that barrier. It delivers true Hollywood-level capabilities in a package that literally slips directly into your jacket pocket, meaning you can fly without a license, registration, or restrictions in premium markets across the United States, Europe, and beyond. Let us look directly at the engineering masterstroke behind the camera module. The leaked schematics confirm that DJI is introducing a massive 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor into the Mini line. This is a monumental generational leap over the traditional sensors found in compact drones. A stacked sensor architecture allows the circuitry to sit directly underneath the pixels, which exponentially increases data readout speeds and minimizes rolling shutter distortion. What this means for your footage is a native resolution of 6K at 60 frames per second. Having 6K clarity in a pocket drone changes everything for professional content creators because it gives you the ultimate freedom to crop, reframe, and stabilize your shots in post-production without losing a single ounce of sharp, native detail. But the camera upgrades do not stop at resolution. The leak points directly to a true mechanical variable aperture ranging from f1.8 all the way down to f11. If you are an experienced aerial filmmaker, you know exactly why this is a massive deal. Currently, flying a mini drone requires constantly landing to swap out physical neutral density filters whenever the lighting conditions change. With a built-in variable mechanical iris, you can control the light entering the sensor directly from your remote control while the drone is hundreds of feet in the air. You can effortlessly adapt from bright, harsh midday sunlight to deep, cinematic golden hour shadows in real time, keeping your shutter speed locked perfectly at the double frame rate rule for flawless motion blur. Low-light performance is another area where this device is set to embarrass drones that cost 3 times the price. The combination of the 1-inch stack sensor and an ultra-wide f1.8 aperture allows the camera to pull in unprecedented amounts of light. The internal architecture is rumored to leverage advanced artificial intelligence denoising chips that process imagery before it even writes to the storage. This eliminates the muddy grain and digital noise that usually ruins nighttime aerial shots, allowing travel vloggers and professional filmmakers to capture clean, hyper-detailed neon cityscapes, starlit coastlines, and low-light urban environments with absolute confidence. Now, you might wonder how DJI expects to power a massive sensor, variable aperture motors, and advanced processing chips without making the drone too heavy. The answer lies in a major breakthrough in high-density battery chemistry. Internal supply chain documents indicate that DJI is introducing an entirely new solid-state battery cell design. These advanced batteries pack nearly double the energy density of traditional lithium polymer packs without adding a single gram of physical weight. The standard intelligent flight battery is projected to hit an incredible 50-minute flight time, while the upgraded Plus variation is pushing toward a staggering 60 minutes of continuous airtime. This completely changes the mathematics of a shoot, allowing you to patiently map out complex cinematic paths, wait for the perfect lighting, and execute multiple takes on a single launch. Safety and autonomous flying are also receiving a revolutionary upgrade that will make this drone virtually uncrashable, even for absolute beginners. The upcoming release is ditching standard visual obstacle avoidance in favor of a specialized omnidirectional nightscape LiDAR system. Traditional vision sensors rely on daylight to spot obstacles, meaning they are completely blind and useless when flying at night. This new LiDAR module actively fires thousands of invisible laser pulses per second in a full 360-degree sphere. It builds a real-time, high-definition three-dimensional map of the surrounding environment, allowing the drone to easily detect and dodge thin tree branches, power lines, and structural hazards in total, pitch-black darkness. This opens up an entirely new realm of safe, stress-free nighttime cinematography. To handle the immense data stream from the 6K camera and the LiDAR system, DJI is deploying its next-generation transmissions architecture, known internally as the O5 system. Operating across multiple optimized frequencies, this system ensures a bulletproof, zero-latency video feed back to your controller over unprecedented distances. More importantly, for creators in congested areas like New York, London, or Los Angeles, the transmission is heavily shielded against electromagnetic interference. You can pilot the aircraft between massive skyscrapers and dense concrete structures without experiencing the sudden signal drops or screen tearing that plague current generation hardware. The autonomous tracking capabilities are being completely overhauled using machine learning algorithms. The new onboard AI tracking system can identify and lock onto subjects with pinpoint accuracy, predicting movement paths even if the target momentarily passes behind a building or a dense row of trees. It unlocks a hands-free filmmaking experience where the drone acts as a professional, automated camera crew, smoothly executing dramatic parallax sweeps, sweeping tracking shots, and dynamic sweeps while you focus entirely on your performance or your journey. Looking closely at the global market strategy, the launch timeline and pricing structure are highly tactical. Industry insiders point toward an official global unveiling later this year, perfectly positioned for the high-end holiday shopping season. Given the sheer volume of groundbreaking technology packed into this featherweight chassis, pricing is expected to reflect its premium status. The base controller bundle is rumored to sit around $999, with the comprehensive Fly More combo coming in near $1,250. While this is a step up from older entry-level pricing, it offers a total replacement for bulky, heavily regulated cinema rigs, making it an incredible value for serious creators. This upcoming release is not just a minor, incremental step forward, it is an absolute paradigm shift that renders previous compact drones obsolete. By blending a sub-250-gram unrestricted weight profile with a massive 1-inch stack sensor, 6K resolution, mechanical variable aperture, and uncrashable nighttime LiDAR safety, DJI is establishing a brand new gold standard for global content creation. If you want to ensure your production quality stays ahead of the competition and your investment remains future-proof, keeping your wallet firmly closed until this powerhouse drops is the absolute best move you can make. Stay tuned as we monitor the supply chains for further breaking updates on this incredible tech.